Hi, my name is Ahmed and I'm making this video for the STAT 333 bonus assignment. The question I'm taking is inspired from chapter 3, question 31 from the textbook. So here's the scenario. In a game of cricket, a dismissal streak is known as the number of dismissals in a row. We will assume that there are only two outcomes possible. So a person can either be out or not out, and he can be out with a probability of 1/3 or not out with a probability of 2/3. Just to make this concept of a run clear, I've attached this video where a bowler bowls an over and it takes 3 wickets in that over.
वहीद शोएब अख्तर पहली बॉल स्टेडियम में पुल किया, फील्डर मौजूद और आउट। पहली ही गेंद पे विकेट हासिल की शोएब अख्तर ने। शोएब अख्तर एक दफा फिर अच्छी बॉल, आउट होने का खतरा, और लगता है कि कल का दिन दोबारा रिपीट हो रहा है जिस तरह से एफआर के मिसबाह उल हक पे और उतर ही अब तक बहुत अच्छी सेकंड सेमीफाइनलिस्ट यही टीम थी। तो फिर पुल किया, फील्डर मौजूद और ये तीसरा नुकसान उठाना पड़ा इस बार मोहम्मद हाफिज।
Okay, so here the bowler balls an over with an outcome of 2 wickets on the first 2 balls and then 3 not outs and then another wicket. So just looking at this, we know that the length of the first run is 2, the second is 3, and the third is 1. So our question is, find the expected length of the first run. So if we assume n to be the expected run of the expected length of the first run, we will have to condition on the first outcome. There can be 2 possible first outcomes. It is either a wicket or a not out. So we'll use expected value of the length of run given that first is wicket into probability that first is wicket plus expected value of the length of run given that first is not out into the probability that the first is not out. So if we break down the problem into small parts, so first we'll calculate expected value of the length of run given that the first is a wicket. So we know that the probability of getting a wicket is 1/3, so it's just a geometric sum, and when I sum it, it comes out to be 3/4 or 0.75. Similarly for the other part, we'll condition on not out being the first outcome. So the probability is 2/3 and it's again a geometric sum and the sum comes out to be 6. So when we put all the pieces together and all the values back in the formula, we get the value of 4.25. So 4.25 is the expected length of the first run. Okay, now suppose we are also asked to calculate the expected run of the 27th run, for example. The question might seem tricky or hard at first, but we know that all the runs are independent of each other, so the answer basically remains the same. So the expected length of each run is 4.25. So this sums up the question. Thank you very much for listening, and everyone good luck for the final tomorrow.